Could you reverse an array without resort to a native method Array.reverse? What's your shortest code? Could you think of the most efficient code? Let's clear it up. Hi, let's talk today about an alternative to Array.reverse function in JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. For the first part of initial task, the conditions are: your code should be as short as possible. You mustn't use Array.reverse method. We can reverse an array in different ways. For example, you can use for loop and get following lines, or you can take a while loop, or even you can twist with destructuring operator. At the very least, you can suggest your own solution. Who knows, maybe it can be even better. Recurring XOR operator. Take your chance to be a superhero. Let's appeal to basics, to ECMAScript specification. If compare function is not undefined, it should be a function that accepts two arguments, x and y, and returns a negative value if x is lower than y, 0 if x is equal to y, or a positive value if x is greater than y. In that case, if a return value is positive, or a positive number but not equals 0, the array will be reversed. That's exactly what we are looking for. Therefore, the shortest code will look like the following. It's only 15 symbols, not counting spaces. You can play around and try to make it even shorter. The second part is really tricky. It depends on your hardware, environment, the moon phase, etc. Nonetheless, I believe your shortest code won't be the fastest one. To get the most efficient code, you can check JSperf website tests and detect what's the most efficient approach for your environment. In my case, the native reverse and sort functions perform almost 2 times slower than while and for loops. What about your fastest code in your environment? Leave your comments down below. That's it. So easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.